Hello, good morning, and welcome back to another video. So today we're just going to do a quick unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Precision Mouse. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. As you see here, we have quite a few other items on the docket, but first up is the Microsoft Surface Precision Mouse. Okay, so basically what this guy is doing is replacing this guy. So this is the one I was using, and now we've got the new one. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up so you can see what's on the inside. Okay, so I've got a quick little editor's note here. It took me a comical amount of time to actually get the plastic tape off of the box, so I decided to go ahead and speed it up for you so you don't have to endure the whole process. And there we are. So here we are. These are the two, old one, new one. Yeah, they feel pretty good in the hand. But before we get into all that, let's go ahead and see what else is in the box here. So we have also got paperwork, usual, and handy dandy. This is a micro USB charger, unfortunately. So it's a little bit of an older device. So that's what we've got in the box. Go ahead and set that aside. And so we can see old versus new here. This new one is Bluetooth, which is nice. So you have the option of using it wired or wireless. This old one here, pretty nice to have magnets right here that cover it back. And what it does is it has a little USB dongle so it can connect wirelessly to your computer. And so that also actually works in tandem with, they have a separate number pad, as well as this little keyboard here. So these guys all came in the same package. And this has a nice little wrist bump here, so you can kind of elevate it if you for more comfortable typing. But yes, this right here is the this completes the Microsoft Surface Ergonomic, Microsoft Ergonomic Desktop, these three items here. And so just really quickly for a quick comparison, let's see. Oh yes, and while we're here, we do have this guy coming up, and for those of you that do not recognize this, is the Microsoft Surface Duo. So this guy is coming up. We're going to do an unboxing of that. Of course, we've also got some earbuds. I'm actually wearing a pair now. And what else we got? The Surface Arc mouse, which is really cool. I like this guy as well. And oh yeah, we can't forget about the Surface headphones. These are upcoming videos. We'll go ahead and space them out. Keep you coming back for more. But what I wanted to get to is this guy. Okay, so this is the Surface Ergonomic keyboard, I believe. Surface Ergonomic keyboard. So this is what I will be pairing up with this guy. So set that aside. And yeah, so this is our next unboxing here. So that's it for now. Thank you very much for watching, and do stay tuned for more.